right?
Okay.
So insurance stacking is using specific insurance policies to pay for explicitly for, things that you're gonna have to pay for when you die.
Right.
All right, so bottom tier is an emergency funeral plan. That's your pre-need. You know what I mean? All right, then you got your term insurance. That's for your bills, your car notes, your house note, to
I
pay
got
out.
insurance for that?
Yeah, well, it's term insurance.
Yeah,
you know
but
what
I
mean?
didn't know. Okay.
Yeah,
Bet.
you know what I mean? So, because you think about it, if you buy a house, it's what, a 30-year note? 30-year term insurance policy. You know what I
Okay.
mean? If you die before you pay off your house, that term policy gonna pay it off and everything else on it. Everything in the house, on the house, and around the house gonna pay it off. You know what I mean? So, got your pre-need, you got your terms. Now your bills is paid for, all your funerals paid for. All right, so now do you want to leave something for the kids? You know what I
I leave a
mean?
little something.
Okay, if you want a small one, leave 10, 15,000, get a final expense policy. You know what I mean? That's gonna take care of your little final expenses. You know what I mean? Or if you want to leave the kids a little bit. You know what I mean? If you want to go a little bit more, leave them. Alrighty. So got the funeral taken care of, bills is taken care of. Well, I got final expenses because I know Mama wanted this specific red dress from Vera Wayne, so I got this little small one for that final expense. Then for the kids is a GUL, Guaranteed Universal Life. I know a lot of people hear IULs, but there's IULs, VULs, GULs, all kind of ULs, right? I'll be like, for real. But the GUL is guaranteed, you know what I mean? And if you want your kids to guarantee to have some money, get a GUL.
I get that.
You know what I mean? And then if you want to use the life insurance where you can borrow against it and stack money and reuse the money.
That's what we always hear about. What's that called?
So that's essentially a whole life insurance policy.
Okay.
But a lot of folks there's IUL that does the same thing. You know what I mean? But an IUL is a term life policy. You know what I mean? With just some added benefits. You know what I mean?
What's IUL? What's the abbreviation?
Index Universal
Okay, I get
Life
that.
Insurance.
Index Universal.
Yeah, so it's based on an index like the NASDAQ or the S&P.